Marian Rivera, Facebook Live.
Body swimming ba?
Ano rin?
Sa buong may gel, pwede yung mag-fire sa back.
Sorry naman. Ay.
Ayan. Our couples is an understatement. They are here with us today. Now, I'm going to say give them a round of applause, pero everybody wanted to capture this moment. So, mamaya na yung palakpakan. With a beautiful gift. Ayan. There we go. Ding Dong Martin, how are you guys feeling today?
Hello! Ayan, magandang pagkakas sa inyo. Sobrang excited po kami at sobrang saya namin nakakasama kayo ng makausap at malaman yung mga kwento behind our family, our work, and all the reasons why we're so happy to partner.
Ayan. So now let's take a seat. As we said, I'm so excited actually to learn more about everything. So first of all, I would like to congratulate you both on your huge success on your recent film, Rewind, the top grossing film in the Philippines. You guys, come on around the block. It's really not hard to say power couple because power talaga eh. Power talaga. But now, I want to ask, ano ang feeling now that you are now part of the family of the number one rated mobile network in the Philippines? How does that feel?
Check. Yeah. We, of course, we're very grateful. Sir Eric, Sir Jasper, and the whole Dito family. Una-una, maraming salamat sa diwan. Maraming salamat sa anything to be associated with brands that really value the Filipino people. Alam nyo, ramdam na ramdam namin na sa puso nandito, ika nga ng tagline dito sa puso, talagang top priority talaga nila customers. Dahil, of course, reliability, of course, dahil sa affordability ng kanilang services. And very, very clear yung kanilang mission. They really want to empower communities here in the Philippines. And we're just happy and proud to be part of this that family because parang extended family rin natin.
Grabe talaga. Let's give that a round of applause. Now, we know that there's when it comes to your meron tayong mga online habits, diba? You guys, of course, as a family din. So I wanted, okay lang if we can dive into that a little bit. But Marian, also, we want to hear from you. It's such an amazing experience. So how do you feel naman?
Sobrang blessed kami. Sabi ko nga kay Dad, pasensyahan na, dito sa puso ko, mukhang dalawa na kayo. Sabi ni Dong, parang nakakataba ng puso na dito, pinaprioridad nila yung mga tao, yung mga Pilipino, kung yung mga kinakailangan nila. At sabi ko nga, dito, ay maaasahan mo talaga. At ginawa nitong affordable para sa mga masang Pilipino. Na lahat tayo may karapatang mag-internet. Lahat tayo pwedeng maging masaya dito sa mga puso mo.
Ayun! Ikaw naman kaya. Okay. I need to mention, a few months back, madami kong pinasaya sa dance videos. Ano ba yun, yung dance videos? Ayun, okay. I'm not sure kung nagustuhan ng mga tao, pero 80 million views po siya. Ako sa nag-vlog sa that. Kaya about that is, once you did that, ayun. Actually, siya nagturo yun eh. Oy!
Sa umaga, kasi nagulat ako. As in, out of nowhere, nakita ko talagang sasayaw siya. May camera. So, wala sinasabi sa akin na para sa TikTok niya. Kasi noong time na yun, hindi ko siya active sa TikTok. Tapos kinabukasan, pinost niya, yung pala yun. Pagkatapos yun, kinakarir na talaga niya.
At saka may award ka yan na, o naalala ko yan. And you know what's nice about that? Once you posted that, ang dami mga throwback videos. Nakita mo rin yun, diba? And ang galing-galing. I can at least give a round of applause. Who's trying very good dance moves, right? As a trying hard dancer myself, I really love it. It was super fun. But I also want to ask, aside from the dance videos and, other things, ano yung mga, what are some things you like to do as a family when it comes to connection, diba? And, activities at home?
Actually, mahalaga yan kasi sa amin, mahilig kami mag-bonding at manood talaga ng mga movies. Nagmamarathon talaga kami sa pelikula.
Okay.
So, yun yung pinaka-bonding namin together. And siguro sa mga kids din, si Zia kasi is may iPad siya, kasi sa school nila, naka-iPad na sila. So, may mga assignments siya na kailangan namin gawin online. At the same time, siguro mahalaga sa family namin talaga na internet. Kasi pag wala kami sa bahay, sinecheck namin yung feed sa monitor kung ano man nangyayari sa kanila. As an OA mom, kailangan talaga nakababad sa internet. At happy ako kasi dire-diretso talaga. Hindi mo kailangan i-off.
True!
Magkakatingin ka na. Nag-roll ka na. Oo. Nag-i-extend ka na. Natapos ka ng lahat. Naka-roll pa rin.
Ayun! At saka
monitor na
siya
talaga.
lang, kasi ganyan ka lang. You can see it's, right? It's really amazing. And, grabe the offers, no? It's really crazy.
O, kasi talagang nowadays, essential na talaga ang connectivity. Nabanggit niya yung usage niya sa bahay. Ako naman sa trabaho, especially when I'm on very far places sa aming location. Yung mahilig kasi ako talaga na video call.
Yes.
So talaga nakikita, especially ito, misis ko. Bukod mo na yung camera. So, syempre yung mga anak na rin. Syempre gusto natin very reliable. Of course, nandyan din yung mga nag-online meetings. Diba? So, sobrang usage na rin.
And, I actually, can I just share? I remember we did a work event sometime last year. Tapos shoot kasi yun. So may mga, in between takes, they would really call their kids. So nahilinig namin sa mic, saan ka na? Ganon. So it's really true, no? Like, you want to be connected to your home because as much as you guys are career people and, also being parents, the number one job niya and also. So it's really true what you say, your bonding, connectivity. And I don't know if you guys heard that, pero only 5G yan. Only 5G yan.
Only 5G siya for the mobile postpaid. So imagine only 5G at 100 GB gigabytes.
Yes, 100 GB
extra
data. Okay.
na data. Ganon ka-generous. And
Maging honest tayo, kahit tayo nagulat nung sinabi nila. Sabi namin talaga ba? Wow! Amazing. Kaya very excited talaga kami na ibigay yan sa kanila. At kami mismo, masabi namin sa kanila, bahala kayo. Bantusawa kayo mag-internet kayo na walang interruption.
Yun. Let's give them a round of applause. Nagulat din ako sa 5G and 100 gigabyte data. Parang, actually, gusto ko din yan. But speaking of parenting, we cannot not mention, what about their online lifestyle? You mentioned a little bit of their school and stuff, but ano yung mga fun activities na they like to do online?
gusto namin yung mga activities namin together. Halimbawa sa pag-nanonood kami ng Netflix, wala lang yung iwan, masyado advance para sa...
Naka-recover na ba yung mga tao? Actually, nung nabanggit nga na yung Sarah, di ba naiyak ako ulit eh. Okay, but amazing.
So yun talaga, isa sa mga gusto namin i-celebrate na banding moment ay yung pag-nood together. So kaya mahalaga talaga walang interruption.
It's true. And you know what? As they get older, maaalala nila yan, no? Yung mga movie nights nyo. Alright, grabe guys, let's give them a round of applause. As parents, it's a balancing act. Kailangan talaga, to balance parenthood and, this power couple. There's so much going on. But I want to ask, sa inyo, as being part of this new family, ano ang nagpatibok sa puso nyo para sa tito?
Gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, ramdam talaga namin yung genuine na pagmamahal ng dito sa kanilang mga customers. At makikita natin ito sa kanilang services at products. Katulad na sa prepaid, di ba? Sa prepaid line nila, sa mobile postpaid na nabanggit ko kanina, hanggang sa home na produkto nila. And ang goal talaga nila is to really connect Filipinos to one another. na walang, syempre walang interaction. Imagine yung 5G. We're so, ako sobrang grateful ako na sa area namin na may 5G, so unlimited siya. Hindi na kailangan sa 100 gigabyte na data. Kasi so 5G pa lang, unlimited na talaga siya. But it's really yung kanilang commitment, yung sa kanilang mission. Sabi nga na ang kanilang goal ay sana hindi lang maging privilege ang connectivity, kundi maging isang right para lahat. And yun ang isang bagay na sinasaludo, sinasasaluduan.
Tama yung sinabi niya eh. Kasi yung customer service nila, grabe yung ipaparamdam nila sa'yo na ikaw yung ipaprioridad nila. Ikaw yung pagtutuunan ng pansin kung anong kinakailangan mo. At dito sa dito, nakakabaan ng puso. Kasi yun ang sinabi ni Doc, priority nila yung mamamayang Pilipino. At yung bibigyan nila yung internet na kinakailangan mo, hindi sa cellphone mo, pati sa bahay mo. Kasi sabi nga ito, necessity na talaga ang internet. At ito yung maaasahan mo na affordable. Unfortunately, nag-ring highlight ng, the heart, naka-heart na nag-feel natin. So, now naman nito talaga. Survey says, ito is number 1. Okay lang ba magpa-sample? Doon ka kayo magpa-sample ng survey says?
Ako sinasabi nito, pero doon sa game show na napapanood natin everyday, 100 na Pinoy ang tinanong. Dito, higit sa 100 sa survey. So, ang sabi ng survey says, of course, dito is the #1 rated mobile network.
Dito is rated #1. Thank you so much, Lincoln and Marian. It is an absolute pleasure to share the stage with you. It really is. And we appreciate